Another important thing when working with 3ds Max is saving your files. So you can go to File, Save As. You can just call this Intro Tests. We'll save that. And it's important to save regularly. And now it's also a good idea to save increments. So if we hit plus instead of save, what this is going to do is save a copy. So that's our original file, and then when we hit the plus, it got 0.1, and if I did it again, it would have 0.2. Now let's take a look at creating a camera. So we'll go to the Create panel, we'll go over to Camera, and go to the top view, and we'll choose Physical. So now we click and drag, and if we go to the left view, we'll be able to see the height of our camera. So we're going to want to pull that up. So I'm just going to right click, go to Move, and you'll see that our target is here. So we're going to want to pull that up as well. And if we hit C on the keyboard, and I'm just going to press F3, this is what the camera is seeing. So we can go into Modify, and we can change the focal length. But normally 35 is quite normal, but down here we can dolly and zoom out the camera. And now if we press Shift F, this will show us safe frames. So if we hit render now, this is what's rendered. And we can see that the top of this box is quite near the top here, but in the render it's not. And that's because it's actually rendering a different aspect ratio. So Shift F turns on safe frames, which will actually show us what we're going to render. So if we go to the render setup, we can change our output size here. So if we change this to HDTV and hit render, you'll see that's gone widescreen, and you'll see that in the viewport with safe frames on, it's actually showing us what we will be rendering rather than what's in the viewport. So we can see the difference of this viewport and this render.